Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 508SW in the GT specification. So this is our current demonstrator. Features front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. There's also electric tailgates. Inside the car you've got leather interior. Both the front seats are heated and have massage function, and there's also driver position memory. Now the touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Now this goes nicely with the Focal premium sound system. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, you get adaptive cruise control. So let's have a look around. So if this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.